All right, let's turn to Gio Diaz live in East Harlem because he was on his way to the Bronx, and that visibility, you can see it right there. Kind of stopped you in your tracks. Yeah. Hi, Gio.
Hey guys, yes, Stacey just said it, and I want you to see it with your own eyes. Take a look at the distance here, barely visible because the snow is just coming down right now. Over the last 15-25 minutes, we felt like it got even more intense where we are. If you see on the ground, on the asphalt here, completely covered. And mind you, we have seen multiple plow trucks passing by here to make sure that those who need to go out are able to do so safely, but they cannot handle because it is, handle the amount of snow that's coming down so quickly. So they have been passing by over and over again. On the other side, take a look here with me. Gerald Nugent behind the cameras here trying to help me tell you this story. They just passed by and they just cleaned here the sidewalk, so folks who are trying to get across are able to do so. You can see the pavement here, but very soon it's going to be covered by snow once again. I've seen so many pups passing by here with their little coats. They need to go out. There's one right behind us right now. They still need to go out, right? Speaking of that, I just spoke with a person who moved to New York City not long ago, and she described a little bit about how she felt about the first snowstorm that she's experiencing here in the city. Take a listen.
Lots of coffee, bagel sandwich, usual.
What about your pup?
What about her?
Is she enjoying this?
She's not used to this. We actually just moved to New York from the West Coast.
Okay. We're
not used to a city that can run so well in the snow.
Are you surprised?
I'm very surprised.
Yeah, what is the most surprising about it?
Well, in Portland, we get an inch or so and the whole place shuts down. They don't have the capabilities or facilities to handle any kind of weather like this. So it's cool seeing people really come together and make sure the city can keep running. Oh, I know.
Big shout out to our DSNY workers this morning. They've been on the job since 1 a.m., 12-hour shift, 2,000 workers trying to make sure, ensuring that we are able to go out if we need to, but if you don't have to, just stay indoors. We'll bring the images for you from all across the region.